Hi everybody, Queen Tay here. So today I'm going to be giving you a travel nurse pay breakdown. I know a few of you have questions on how it works as a travel nurse. How do you get paid? So today's video is going to give you all the tea. Stay tuned. Yes, so you want to maximize your pay as a travel nurse. There's two different ways of getting paid as a travel nurse. So you have your taxed hourly rate and you have your non-taxed stipend that you receive from your travel agency. So you want to make sure that you understand your pay package when you receive them from your recruiter. There is also something called a blended rate, which I'll get into further detail in a few. So yes, your taxed hourly rate is the hourly rate that you are provided from your hospital. This is your base pay, whatever that is, and from your hospital. You get that rate taxed, and that is what you would, file at the end of the year. Then you have your stipend. So each travel agency, they provide you with a weekly housing stipend, which is tax-free money. Also a food stipend and an food and incidental stipend. So, that varies depending on the contract, depending on the agency. Next, you have the option in some cases, or in most cases, to decrease your taxable rate and increase your stipend. So it sounds crazy, but at the same time, this way you're not getting taxed at this extremely high tax bracket. So this can be discussed between you and your recruiter. So say that you needed to show that you were making more income on your taxes if you wanted to purchase a house or make a big purchase of something like that, then you have the option to increase your hourly rate and decrease your non-tax stipend. I get like tongue-tied, but yes, so you do have the option to do that. But if that's not the case, why would you want to get more money taken out from you? So think about it like this. So let's say your tax-free stipend is $40 and your taxed hourly rate is $40, right? Your gross income would be about $2,880. Your net income would be $2,592. That's based on, we'll just say 15% tax. Every state has a different tax rate. Scenario 2, you have a tax-free stipend of $60, and then your tax hourly rate is now $20. So it's less, but you're still bringing home the $2,880 per week. Your net income would be $2,772 per week. So that's what you're bringing home. So look at the difference here. That's a difference of $180 per week, $720 per month, and a total of $9,360 a year. Who doesn't want to save almost, I would say $9,000 a year? Who doesn't want to save that? So this is just a scenario option that, just to show you how you can play with your taxable rate versus your stipend. So, you have to think about it like that. That is how, you can kind of work with breaking your pay down as a travel nurse and really understanding your pay packages. So the blended rate, when you get your blended rate, which is generally like a California thing. So in California, you after 8 hours of work, your last 4 hours are automatically time and a half. So that's considered overtime. I'm not overtime, but it's just considered time and a half. So the first 8 hours you get paid, let's say $20 an hour, but then the last 4 hours you get $30 an hour. Then your blended rate is somewhere around like $23 an hour. So that's how you would break down your blended rate. And like I said, it's only in certain states that have the blended rate. Usually it's just, primarily what I know, California definitely has a blended rate. So that is something that you might see on your pay packages as well. All right. So I just wanted to drop a few pay gems to you guys. Again, if you have any questions, concerns, look here I go, questions, concerns. But if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them down below. I'm here to answer your questions, and I'll see you soon. Have a good day. Peace.